We were halfway through this. Let me just go to one mudichom. Yeah, Vijayate Vema Bhupalaha. இது வரைக்கும் முடிச்சோம். I think just this last few paragraphs we have to do. Okay. Tasminscha Shasati Dharani Mandalam. So now the context here is Vijayate Vema Bhupalaha. So the king was gone, and so Vema Bhupala, who was born at the beginning of this lesson, he is now ruling the kingdom. So Tasminscha Shasati Dharani Mandalam Kadachit Jaladhara Panka Shoshena Divam Ahimakara Pada Sanchara Yogyam Vitanvan इतस्ततः तरल मराल पक्ष विक्षेपैः दुर्विषः वज्रानल महोष्म संतापितां द्यामिव विजयन् मण्डूक वाग्बन्धनमान्त्रिकः सौदामनी नृत्तकालावधिः समाजगाम शरत्समयः. Sharatkala comes after rainy season. So after during Varsha Kalam, no activities go on. Everybody is quiet and sitting at their home because moving around in those days was very difficult during Varsha Kala. So now Varsha Kala is over and Sharat Kala has come in. So autumn season has come in and people start on Digvijaya Yatra during that time. Okay, because they have been confined to the home till then, and now people want to start business or go out. It's like house arrest till now for 2 months, and now they feel like going out. In the same way here, Tasminscha Dharani Mandalam Shasati Sati. Tasmin, when as Vema Bhupale Shasati Sati. Vema Bhupalaha Tatra Bhumandale Rajyam Karoti Sma Tadani. Kadachit Jaladhara Panka Shoshena Divam Ahimakara Pada Sanchara Yogyam Vitanvan Sharat Samayaha Samajagama. Kadachit once Sharat Samayaha, the autumn season, Samajagama, it came upon the earth. Okay, it came, arrived. The autumn season arrived. How was this autumn season? It was Vitanvanna Divam. It was making the day yogyam, appropriate for Ahimakara Pada Sanchara Yogyam Kurvanna. Divam. Because till now there were clouds covering the movement of the sun. The sun was not able to move around on this earth. Now here the sun's rays, it is now appropriate for the sun's rays to move around. So ahimakara, himakaraha tu chandraha, himam karoti, ahimam karoti iti chet tatra tapam karoti iti karanat ahimakaraha iti suryaha. Suryasya padanam sanchare yogyam kurvan. He made this, the Sharatkala, the autumn season, made this day fit for the sun's rays to fall around or move around by Jaladhara Panka Shoshena. Jaladharaha eva Pankaha Tasya Shoshena. So by completely drying up the clouds which were like pankam, which were like in the Sherungrolya, Adu Madri. It was like dirty, muddy waters on the sky, and now during autumn season, all of the clouds have stopped becoming black. Now they are only dried up, and they are white in color, or there is no cloud at all. Sharad Jyotsna Shuddham Ambala. So which means during Sharat Kala there are no clouds at all. Which is here the Sharat Samaya by Shoshena, by drying up the Jaladhara Panka, the mire which is in the form of clouds, it made the daytime fit for the sun's rays to move around. Then Itastataha Dhyam Vijayan Iva. Now, because the sun's rays can fall down very well on the bhumi, someone has to remove that heat. Now, what does it do? Tarala marala paksha vikshepaihi durvishahya vajra anala mahoshma santapitam dhyam vijayan. Now, divam surya kirana sanchara yogyam kurvati. Karoti. Now next, what is the change that it does to the earth? Now earth, because now there are no clouds and no rains, the swans are moving freely. So what happens to the swans? Tarala, Marala, Paksha, Vikshepaihi. And the swans are all moving their Paksha, their wings really well. Tesham Vikshepaihi, because of the moving of the wings of swans, which are Tarala, which are moving here and there, it seems as if, imagine, now the sun's rays are falling really well on the earth, so which means the earth is Santapita. It is completely tortured by that heat here. Ushma, Mahoshma Santapita. She is really hot because of the extreme heat that comes from the sun's rays. And that heat is like Vajra Anala. It is like the fire that comes from Vajrayudham, the lightning of Indra, the weapon of Indra. So this heat that comes from the sun is like Vajrayudha's fire, and it is difficult to tolerate. Durvishaha, Durvishahyam or Durvishaha, it is very difficult to tolerate. Tadrisha Vajranala Sadrisha Maha Ushmana Santapita Bhumihi. Tam Bhumim, if you have to remove that tapa from the bhumi, you have to fan. Yeah, during summer or during autumn, we keep, if it is very hot, then we hold a fan and try to remove the heat from the body. In the same way, the Sharatkala is also trying to remove the heat of the earth using the wings of swans. So, Tarala, Marala, Paksha, Vikshepaihi. Tatra Hamsaha Pakshan Vijayanti. That it seems like as if. So, Atra Utpreksha Alankaraha. Te Dhyam Vijayanti Iva Drishyante. Okay? Utprekshyate. And why should you fan the earth? Yataha Dyauhu Santapita Vartate. Actually, Dyauhu can mean earth or it can mean Akasham Nanekre.
Yeah.
Akasham தான் நினைக்கிறேன்.
That time it was Akashamani.
Dyumaniல வந்து ஆகாசம்னு இருந்தது. ஆகாசமேவ நது பூமிஹி. நான் பூமின்னு நினைச்சேன். ஓகே. தியூ, ஆமா, தியூனா ஆகாசம் தான். சாரி, ஃபுல்லா தப்பா சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஓகே, ஹெவன் தான் அதுல. அப்போ விச் மீன்ஸ் த ஸ்வான்ஸ் ஆர் ஆல் மூவிங் அபவுட் இன் த ஸ்கை சரத் காலத்துல. ஓகே. மண்டூக வாக்பந்தன மாந்திரிகா சௌதாமினி நிருத்தகாலாவதிஹி சரத் சமயः. Now Sharat Samaya has done two things. One is it has stopped the frogs from shouting. So Manduka Mantrikaha iva vartate. Vagbandhanam karoti. Saha Mandukanam Vagbandhanam karoti iva vartate. Sharat Kalaha. So during rainy season, the frogs, there are too much of water, and the frogs are also shouting. There is the croaking of the frogs you hear during rainy season. But now that there is no rain, the frogs have stopped their noises. It is as if and the vaaka kattupaduthita madri irukku. So sometimes a mantrika is capable of doing some mantram and stopping the voice from coming out. It seems as if the Sharat Kala is like a mantrika. It is like a magician which has who has stopped the vak bandhanam akarotu mandukana. Again, Saudamani nritta kala avadhihi. Saudamani here is the lightning, and it is also stopped the working of the lightning here. Okay, dancing of the lightning. Which means since there is no idu illa, clouds are not there, so there is no lightning here. So Saudamanyaha vidyutaha nrittasya nrittakalasya avadhihi. So it is like the avadhi or the end of the dancing time of lightnings, which means the lightnings are no longer dancing in the akasha. Tadrishaha sharat samayaha samajagama. So autumn season arrived. Tasminscha shiryamana jalade tamyat tatiti mada manthara sindhure vikaswara vivaswati parinamati शरत्समये नरपतिः अलघुना दण्डेन दिग्विजयकौतूहली गन्तुम् उदमनायिष्ट उन्मनाः अभूत् उदमनायिष्ट उन्मनाः न ईगर् ही बिकेम् उत्सुकः जातः सः कः नरपतिः so नरपतिः the king who was the prince before सः वेमभूपालः दिग्विजय कौतूहली becoming curious he was very eager to win over the entire all the directions, that is he wanted to go on a digvijaya yatra. So gantum udamanayishta, he became ready or he became eager to go out. Alaghuna dandena digvijaya kautuhali, this is like an adjective or reason for kautuhalam. What sort of a kutuhalam asit tatra? He had an eagerness or a curiosity to win over the directions with a very swift manner. Alaghuna dandena, he didn't want to spend a lot of time in battle and all that. So here he wanted to just very quickly win over all the directions. So alaghuna here refers to a quick danda, quickly அதாவது செங்கோல் வீச்சு இருக்குல்ல, அந்த செங்கோலை வந்து நாட்டுறதுக்கு ரொம்ப சீக்கிரமா அவர் பண்ணணும்னு ஆசைப்பட்டார். அதுதான், he didn't want long battles here. So Sharat Samaye Parinamati Sati, when the autumn season was slowly becoming, more pakvam, that is it was ஒரு height க்கு வர்றச்சேன்னு எடுத்துக்கணும். As the Sharat Kala was paripakvam asit tada tasmin Sharat Samaye, when the autumn season, which is Shiryamana Jalade, as the clouds were all coming down, the beginning of the Sharat Kala, you have white clouds there, and slowly the clouds are all completely drying up and dispersing, and there are no clouds at all. As the autumn season proceeds, Parinamati Sati, as it turns or changes slowly, the clouds are all Shiryamana, are completely destroyed. And Tamyat Tatiti, Tamyat here is, Tatit is the, Tatittane Vidyut thane,
Vidyut,
so Tamyat Tatiti ngarche, that is also now slowly reducing here. So it is not, actually Tamyat Tatiti ngarche, verum இது மாத்திரம் இருக்குன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். Sometimes in autumn season you have மேகம் வினா வித்யுத் அப்படி வர்த்ததே. பட் தாமியத் தட்டிதிங்கர்ச்சு,
there is a tam dhatu which means reduce, right, or to control.
Reduce, yeah.
Reduce. So tamyat would be the is it a passive? Is it a khatra? I'm not sure how he's got it.
As the tatit is being reduced.
Tamu kankshayam shatru.
Kankshayam shatru. Shatru pratyaya.
So it's not karmani idilla. தாமியதி தான் வந்து லட்லகாராயவ. அதனால தாமியத் would be தட்டித், தாமியந்தி தட்டித் யத்ர யஸ்மின் காலே வர்த்ததே. So தாத்ருஷ சரத் காலः. This is again sati saptami adjective to Sharat Samaye Parinamati Sati. So when the autumn season wherein the lightning is also reduced, Mada Manthara Sindhure, Sindhura, the elephants are all Manthara, they are languid, they are just a little slow because of the madam, because of the intoxication. They are generally slow, but when they are provoked, they can be really destructive during that season. So when the elephants are slow in their process and they are in their youth also. So Madena Mantharaha Gajaha Alasa Gatayaha Vartante Yasmin Sharat Samaye. So Mada Manthara Sindure Vikaswara Vivaswati parinamati sharat samaye. Vikaswara vivaswati, vikaswaram is prakashamanam. So when the sun, vivaswan is the sun and vikaswara is shining really well. So when the sun was also shining really well, because the or vikaswara can mean expanding, opening. Vikaswaram kamalam iti chet tatra prafullam kamalam iti arthaha. Atra tu vikaswara suryaha vivaswan iti chet tatra he is during autumn, just as how the moon is also closer to the earth, I am sure the sun is also looks like it is expanding and it is closer to the earth here and it shines really brightly. So vikaswara vivaswati sharat samaye parinamati sati. As the sun also shows its brilliance, tadrisha sharat samaye, when the autumn season is slowly becoming more mature, narapatihi, the king, alaguna dandena digvijaya kautuhali, being eager to conquer the directions with a very quick danda, with a very quick stride. Gantum udamanayishta, udamanayate, this is like unmanaha iva acharati, unmanayate அப்படி வரணும். So udamanayishta, he with lungல இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Anayishta would be lung, and that's it would be in Pratham Purusha Ekavachanam. Anayishta.
Anayishta கிடையாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Ud
Manaha.
Amanayishta. Ud Amanayishta. Oh, he desired.
Is there a manas dhatu?
Man dhatu இருக்கு இல்லையா? Man
அப்படி வராதே. அப்படி எனக்கு ஒரு நிமிஷம். I thought it was a namadhatu.
It could be.
I think it's a namadhatu. Unmanaha abhut iti. Udamanayishta. Unmanayate. The namadhatu has taken on a lung here.
What is the dhatu in this case?
So, unmanay. அந்த இதோட கியங் கெச்செல்லாம் ஏதாவது போட்டு பண்ணணும் அத இல்லையா?
Means he desired. He desired.
He became eager.
To
go out. Or he was looking forward to go out.
Really complex form. I mean,
இது வந்து to break that down and figure out will be difficult.
No, I mean even to use it. How did he?
Figure out this இது இல்ல? I know. ஆமா, நான் அந்த புக்ல ஏதாவது இருக்கான்னு பாக்குறேன். உன்மனாயத்தே this is some சிலதுக்கெல்லாம் நோட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கார். I don't know if there are notes for everything here. தஸ்மின் உதஹாயத உத்கதம் ஆசீத், not this சண்டாதகம்.
ஆத்மநேபத ரூபம், right?
ஆமா. So kyang வரணும் இல்லையா?
Yeah, kyang, because of the nga. We got sumanayate.
ஷீரியமானே. தஸ்மின்
உன்மனாயate is there in apte. Unmanayate apteல இருக்கு.
என்ன போட்டுருக்கு?
Unmani to become excited or disturbed in mind, to become excited.
அவ்வளவுதான், வேற என்ன அதுல? So which means unmanaha, அதுல இருந்து வருது அது. Unmanaha is the nama padam which has become the dhatu here. Atha narapatehe digvijaya yatram udghoshanti gabhira bhairavam rarana bheri. Bheri rarana ranati. So the bheri is a type of instrument which sounded really deep. Gabhira and bhairava. Bhairava here can mean very harsh சொல்லிக்கலாம், இல்லன்னா you can say ரொம்ப பீகரஹான்னு சொல்லாமா?
பீகரஹ ரவஹ, right? பீகரஹ ரவஹ,
பீகரஹ ரவஹ அப்படி எடுத்துக்கணும்.
பயானகம்.
பீஹி ரவஹ yasya saha. So bhairava, so that which has a sound which is fearsome. As it announced, bheri, the instrument announcing the Digvijaya Yatra of the Nripati. So Narapatehe Digvijaya Yatram Udghoshanti Shatruprateyam Gabhira Bhairavam Rarana. It sounded in a manner which was very Gabhiram, very deep, and Bhairavam, which was also fearsome. Tada Maha Amatyah Rajagrihadwari Hastipakaihi Anayayamasa Ahava Kautuha Kolahalam Nama Varanendram. Everything else is an adjective to that elephant. This will be a definite a small question or something like that will come for your exam. Ahava Kolahalaha. Small tippani or write a description of this. So this is the paragraph for that. Tada Maha Amatyah, the Prime Minister, Rajagrihadwari Hastipakaihi Anayayamasa Nayati Anayayati. He makes someone bring the Varanendram, the king of the elephants here, through the mahots. So Hastipakaihi, he asked through the mahots, he brought the elephant which was named Ahava Kolahalam. Ahava nale yuddham, yuddhe yaha kolahalam karoti saha ahava kolahalaha. It's an anvarthanama. So it is a very great elephant that is capable of creating confusion in the yuddham. So that elephant was brought to the Rajagrihadwari, to the entrance of the palace. And now let's look at the description of the elephant. Ghana sanghatamiva karirupena parinatam. It was as if the group of clouds were completely transformed into an elephant. So karirupena parinatam transformed into a elephant's rupam, karirupam. Anjanagirim iva kunjaratvam upagatam. எல்லாமே எப்படி look at the paryayavachi shabdas that he uses. Kunjaratvam upagatam anjanagirim iva. It was like a mountain, as if a mountain of anjana, kajal, collyrium. That anjana mai irukkalya, adudha anjanam. So imagine a mountain of kajal has been transformed, has become an elephant here. So that is how this Ahava Kolahala was looking like. So Anjanagirim Kunjaratvam Upagatam Anjanagirim Iva Varanendram. Utpreksha, yes. Avichinna ellame and the இது ரூபம் ஸ்வரூபோத்பிரேக்ஷா. அவிச்சின்ன மத ஜல தாரம் சநிர்ஜர உத்காரம் இவ விந்தியகிரிம். It was looking like Vindyagiri, the mountain, along with the inge it is upama here clearly. So sa nirjara udgaram iva avichinna madajala dharam Vindyagirim. So imagine Vindyagiri along with its nirjara udgara, the waterfalls that keep coming out. Udgaram is usually நம்ம வந்து ஏப்பத்துக்கு சொல்லுவோம், belching தான் உத்காரம்னு சொல்லுவோம். But it is not used in the sense of udgara. If it was used in the sense of belching, then it is gramyam. It should not be used. Okay, because the udgara padam is used in the sense of nirgamanam, it is fine. So nirjara nirgamanena sahitam Vindyagirim iva asit. Why is it like that? Because there was avichinna mada jaladhara. The mada jalam was constantly coming out of the temples of this elephant, which means it was in its youth and it was continuous. Avichinna, without any stopping. Jaladharam, that elephant which has a flow of mada jala, flow of ikar, which was continuous, avichinna. And looking like, so it was looking like Vindyagiri, Vindhya mountains, along with its waterfalls that was coming out. Yeah. Okay. So Sanirjara Udgaram and Avichinna Mada Jaladharam, adha samana dharmama irudhu. Okay. Pratibhata Durgani evam Pamsupesham Pinashmi iti swahridaya nischayam suchayantam iva karena punah avani paragam adaya vikirantam. Punah karena avani paragam adaya. avani atra bhumihi bhumau dhulihi vartate tad dhulim punah punah svashundena adaya sarvatra vikirati. So he is spreading all the dust again and again. He is taking dust from the earth. Avani paragam adaya. Having taken the dust from the earth again and again with his kara, with his trunk, vikirantam, it is throwing everywhere. And what is it indicating? That action seems to indicate what is there in its hridayam. Swa hridaya nischayam suchayantam iva. It is as if it is trying to indicate the decision that is there in the mind of the elephant. The elephant is doing this action as if to show what is there in its mind, which is pratibhata Durgani evam pamsupesham pinashmi. Pamsupesham pinashmi. I will completely crush the forts of all the enemies in this manner. Like how you crush it into dust, in the same manner, I will crush the enemy's forts also in this manner. இது வந்து இதுல படிச்சோம் நம்ம இந்த பாம்சுபேஷம் இந்த மாதிரி ஃபார்மேஷன் we saw in சரள வியாக்கரணம். அதாவது similar to this பாம்சும் இவ பிஷ்ட்வா பாம்சுபேஷம் அப்படி வரணும். மறந்து போயிடுது என்னன்னது. So pratibhata, enemy warriors, Durgani, the forts of all the enemies, evam, in this manner, pamsupesham pinashmi, I will crush them in this manner, just as how these dusts are all crushed and it is spread everywhere. Iti suchayantam, it was as if it was showing what is there in its mind, the decision that was there in the mind of the elephant. Ubhaya parshva avalambi varna kambala mishat airavata vijaya udgamana ichchaya vyudhapaksham iva upalakshyamana. There are the usually in the ambaringro, yeah, and the elephant mela vandu they usually have a small place for the mahoth to sit down before, and then pinnadi the king will be sitting on top of that elephant. And then there will be a kambalam, there will be a carpet kind of cloth that is put on the elephant. Now those, the cloth that was hanging from the two sides, ubhaya parshva avalambi varna kambala, the colorful cloth that was avalambi, that was hanging on both sides of the elephant, tan mishena, in the disguise of that. What is it? It looks like as if those two are wings for the elephant. Now it seems as if this elephant has grown wings to go and fight with Airavata and try to conquer Airavata himself. So Airavata Vijaya Udgamana Ichchaya Vyudhapaksham iva. It is as if it has been tied with, or it is bearing two wings because of out of desire, Ichchaya, out of desire, to go and win over Airavata, to fly to Swargam and win over Airavata. Tatha drishyate upalakshamanam varanendram. Vishnum iva sudarshana chakra dharinam. Sudarshana shankha dharinam. Sorry, chakra illa. Sudarshana and shankha dhari. Vishnuhu katham asti sudarshana chakram dharati shankham cha dharati panchajanya shankham cha dharati. So he has two weapons here. Now how is this elephant? The elephant is also like Vishnu. Here you take it as slishta artha. Sudarshana samyak drashtum drishyate iti tadrisha shankhadari. So usually elephants are decorated with some kind of a conch shell, either at the neck or on the kadila. They tie it, it wears shell ornaments, which is looking very beautiful. So, Sudarshana Shankha Dharinam Vishnumeva is also like Krittivasaha. Krittivasaha is Shiva. Krittivasasam iva Krita Darpaka Antam. Darpakaha Manmathaha. So, Manmatasya Antam Yena Kritam. So, by whom the end of Manmatha was brought about. Tadrisha Krittivasasam iva. Kritti is elephant. Elephant Krittihi eva Vasaha. Vasaha yasya. Vasaha, Vasasi, Vasamsi. நபும்சகலிங்கம். கிருத்திஹி ஏவ வாசஹ யஸ்ய சஹா போடுறச்சே கிருத்திவாசாஹ. லைக் சந்திரமாக இட் பிகம்ஸ் அ சகாராந்த புல்லிங்க பதம். ஸோ கிருத்திவாசசம் இவ லைக் சிவா who destroyed Manmatha or who brought about the end of Manmatha, this elephant also is Krita Darpa Kantam. It is looking very Kantam. Kantam angarche inge vandu you can take it as he is attractive because of the Darpa. அந்த ஒரு மதமதப்புல யானை நடக்கிறச்சே ஒரு தனி அழகா இருக்கும்ல, அதை சொல்றேன். அதுதான் தர்ப்பேண காந்தா சஹ கிருத தர்ப்பஹ சஹ தஸ்மாத் காந்தா அப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம். So one who is very arrogant and at the same time he has இது also மெஜஸ்டிக்கா இருக்கு அப்படி எடுத்துக்கணும். சரியா? அதுதானே அர்த்தம் போட்டிருக்காருன்னு பார்த்துடுறேன். அதெல்லாம் பண்ணலையே. சிச்சி காந்தம் கிருத தர்ப்பேன பிரகட்டித கர்வேண காந்தம் மனோகரம் இருக்கு. தாத்ருஷ ஆஹவ கோலாஹலம் நாம வாரணேந்திரம்.
வாரணா நாம கஜஹ கில. வாரணம் அப்படினா கஜா.
கஜா ஆமா.
கஜேந்திரஹ இது.
இன்னும் 2 இருக்கு. ஒரு நிமிஷம். I totally forgot to put that in the slide, so let me share the book and we will finish off in that. சரியா? Just 2 more paragraphs la inge. Tataha tribhuvana punyadruma pushpa stabakena ripu kamala ullasa virati mriganka bimbena sainya saraf pundarikena dhavala atapatrena dyotayan ambaratalam nagarat niragat. So that's where the paragraph ends. Saha tataha, after that nagarat niragat, he left the city, that is he came out of the city. Katham ambaratalam dyotayan, he was brightening up the entire sky with his white umbrella. Dhavala Atapatrena. Dhavala Atapatra here is on the Vengotra Kodaimbo, Tamil. Usually the white umbrella is a symbol of sovereignty for the king. So Dhavala Atapatrena. How was that Dhavala Atapatram? Tribhuvana Punyadruma Pushpa Stabakena. It was looking like a flower of the Punyadruma of Kalpataru. It was like a flower bunch of Kalpataru, which is a divine tree for all the 3 worlds. So Tribhuvana, or you can take it this way, Tribhuvanasya punyam eva drumarupena vartate tatra pushpastabakena iva. If you take the entire 3 worlds to if it has to function in a manner that, or எப்படி சொல்றது, உலகமுமே புண்ணியம் பண்ணி இருந்ததுன்னா அந்த புண்ணியம்ங்கிற ஒரு மரத்துக்கு இந்த வெண்கொற்ற கொடை தான் வந்து ஒரு பூ மாதிரி இருக்கு. அதாவது it is a representation of the punyam that all of the people in the 3 worlds have done. That is why they have such a king here. அதனால this umbrella is like a symbol, or it is like the bunch of flowers in a tree, and that tree is the punyam of all the 3 worlds. So Tribhuvana punyameva drumaha tatra drume pushpastabakam iva vartate tasya dhavala atapatra. It adds beauty to the punyam that everybody has done in the world. Clear? Ripu kamala ullasa virati mriganka bimbena. Ripu this Dhavala Atapatram is white. It is a white umbrella, so it is like the bimbam. It is like the full moon, and the full moon usually stops the blooming of lotuses. When the full moon rises, the lotuses naturally they fade away. Here also he is comparing the enemies to lotuses. So Ripavaha eva kamalani tesham ullasaha. the blooming of the lotuses in the form of enemies is completely stopped by this white umbrella, which is now which is looking like the Purna Chandra.
That is classy, because usually Ripu, the enemies are denigrated, but here enemies கூட கொஞ்சம் கமலம் போட.
ஆமா, அழகா இருக்கான்ல, நல்ல. ஆனா அது வந்து மூடுற கமலமா சொல்லிட்டார்.
சரி பரவாயில்ல, கொஞ்சம் கமலம் ஸ்டேட்டஸ் கொடுத்திருக்காரு இல்லையா.
ஆனா இத வந்து புண்டரீகான்னு அகைன் சைன்ய சரஃப் புண்டரீகேன. If you look at the entire army, it is like a lake, and usually the lotus is the one that is in the middle and it beautifies the lake. யூஸ்வலி லோட்டஸ் வந்து ஓரமாவே இருக்காது, அது என்னமோ அது நடுவுல ஒண்ணு இருக்கும். சம்திங் விச் இஸ் த மோஸ்ட் பியூட்டிஃபுல் லோட்டஸ் வில் ஆல்வேஸ் பி ஃபார் டு ரீச். அது எட்டி இருக்கும், அது எங்கேயோ நடுவுல இருக்கும். அந்த மாதிரி இங்க இருக்கு. This white umbrella is like a pundarika. It is like a lotus in the middle of the lake of the army. தாத்ருஷ தவலாதபத்ரேன அம்பரதலம் தியோதயன்னு, brightening the entire sky with this white umbrella. Next, மேதினீம் சாமர அனில தானேன சமாஸ்வாசயன்னு. So Medini, this Bhumi is she is very tired right now because of the weight of the other kings. So Bahu Nripati Bhuja Shikhara Arohana Ayasa Swedinim Medinim. Now this earth is sweating because she constantly keeps climbing onto the shoulders of many Narapati, many kings. So there are many kings who have cropped up and who are trying to bear the weight of this earth. So which means, imagine that this Bhumi is like a girl who wants to go and sit on everybody's shoulder here, and going up onto the shoulder of kings is such a big ayasa. It's a strenuous activity. So when you do a strenuous activity like this, you will start sweating. When you start sweating, what do you have to do? You have to, chamara anilam. You need a fan here. So what does he do? When the king goes, the symbols of sovereignty are, first was the white umbrella. Now the next one is chamaram. Those are the இது சௌரி மாதிரி வச்சுட்டு இது பண்ணுவா இல்லையா, வீசறது இருக்கு இல்லையா. So chamarasya anila danena, because of the two people who are constantly swaying that இது fan kind of thing, with that it seems as if he is trying to console the earth. Samashvasayannu Medinim. He is consoling the earth, who is actually Swedini, who is sweating because of the ayasa, because of the effort in Arohana, climbing on to the Bhuja Shikara, the top of the shoulders of many kings. She has been doing that right from day one. So she is extremely tired now, and he is saying, don't worry. Now for a long time you will be under one rule. You don't need to be under many kings rule. அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு. கந்த கரிணம் ஆஹவ கோலாஹலம் adhirudha, one who had climbed onto this ahava kolahala, which is a gandhakari. Gandhakari is mada jalasya gandhaha vartate tasmin gaje. Tasmat gandhakari iti. And it also means it is a one which is of high uttama jati elephant. Adhirudaha ati mahata balasamudayena parivritaha, one who is also surrounded by a big army. Nagarate niragate, he went out of the nagara, city. Evam prachalati bale satatam pariparshvavarti samuttunga matanga adhirudaha sakala shastra paradrishva narma alapa kushalaha swami hridaya vedi sahitya arama madhavaha savinayam anandagranthilaya gira rajanam uvacha. Okay, Madhavaha is his Pariparshvavarti. Pariparshvavarti, a person who has always been with him constantly. வேற ஏதாவது மீனிங் போட்டிருக்காரான்னு பார்த்துடுறேன். பாரதிருஷ்வா போயிடுத்து. Vasantaha. So usually Vasantaha, Madhavaha, these are names given to Vidushakas or people who the kings always have some sahachara who is kama sachivaha iti. He is a minister for anything other than rajyam affair. That's all. So usually that is how these characters are treated in natakas, in drama. But in Gadya Kavyam, we usually don't find the Vidushaka character. So that's why we will just take it as a Pariparshvavarti, one who has always been with him constantly. Evam Bale Prachalati Sati. As the army was moving in this manner, Satatam Pariparshvavarti, one who always stands near him, Madhava, Samuttunga Matanga Adirudhaha. He was also seated on Adirudhaha. He had also climbed on to a very tall Matanga, very tall elephant. Sakala Shastra Paradrishva. So this is not a Vidushaka. He's more like a friend who is also a confidante. Sakala Shastra Paradrishva. Paradrishva Param Pashyati. One who has seen the end of all Shastra, which means he has studied all the Shastras. Sakala Shastra Paradrishva Narma Alapa Kushalaha. He is also he's an expert in Narma Alapa. That is the in the page. நர்மங்கிறதுக்கு வேடிக்கையான பேச்சுன்னு சொல்லலாம் இல்ல.
Tender, right? Tender, gentle.
Yeah, நர்மன ஜென்டில் சொல்லலாம். இட்ஸ் மோர் லைக் இந்த டைம் பாஸுக்கு பேசுறதுன்னு அர்த்தம். நர்மாலாப is usually small talk. You know, who is also who is an expert in small talk or an expert in comedy. Narmalapa can also mean hasya purvakam. Swami Hridaya Vedi, one who understands the Hridayam of his Swami, who is Vema Bhupala. Vedi Vetti iti saha Vithin சொல்லுவா. வேதியும் வருது, எப்படி வருதுன்னு தெரியல. வேதயதியா, one who understands the விதிரு.
Vedin nakaranta pratipadikam.
ஆமா. Yeah. One who knows.
Who knows?
விதிலிருந்து நினின் வருது. நினி பிரத்யா. Not
interesting. Paradrishva Paradrish one pratipadikam. Kvanip.
ஆமா. Yeah. It's a drishvan nakarantam. Sahitya Arama Madhavaha. So he is like the Madhava Vasantaritu for the garden of Sahityam literature. Which means, you know, literature, he picks out the most beautiful, it is the most, or he knows what to enjoy. Usually Vasantaritu is the best of the seasons. So he himself is like, he knows Sahityam really well and he is able to bring about the beauty in a Sahityam also. So that is why Sahityam eva Aramaha tasmin or tasya Madhavaha iva eshaha. Savinayam Ananda Granthilaya, with great humility, Ananda Granthilaya Gira Rajanam Uvacha. He spoke to the king with words that were mixed with the Granthilangarche penanju irukradhu artham, that were mixed with happiness, knotted with happiness. Granthila. Pashyatu Maharajaha prathamamiva bhavati panchamam bhutam utpatishtuna pamsu patalena. The panchamam bhutam Prithvi up tejo akasha. Yeah. Prithvi up tejo vayu akasha. Fifth bhutam is akasha. Akasha seems to have become the first bhutam, which is Prithvi. So panchamam bhutam utpatishnuna pamsupatalena, by the dust which is trying to fly, which wants to fly, utpatishnuna, which is going to fly. It is as if the fifth bhutam has become, the fifth element has become the first element. That is, Akasha is resembling Bhumi. Eshahi Rahu Jihva iva Sakala Rajamandala Graha Lalasa Samuchite Parvani Prachalita Pritana. Pritana Sainyam. Sena, Pritana Sena Samuchite Parvani Prachalita, it has started at the appropriate time. It seems like Rahu Jihva. So Rahu is only the head portion and Ketu is the torso. So Rahu Jihva iva, like the tongue of Rahu, Sakala Rajamandala Lalasa. This is in Slesha here. So the Pritana, the army, is Lalasa. It is greedy to grab all the kingdom here. The entire kingdom. It wants to catch hold of all of the kings. Sakala Rajamandala Grahe Lalasa Esha Sena. Tatra tu Rahu Pakshe, this Rahu Jihva, Rahu swallows the Purnachandra. So lunar eclipse occurs during Paurnami. So this Sena seems like the Rahu, mouth of Rahu, which wants to swallow, which is greedy to Graham, which is greedy to catch hold of Raja Mandala. Raja here is Chandraha. Chandra Mandalam Grinnatum Ichati. Iyam Raja Rahoho Jihva. Tatha Vartate Pritana. Prithu Bharata Bhagirata Atiriktam hi Tejaha Twadiyam. Twadiyam Tejaha, your luster or your valor seems to, it is excelling, Atiriktam. It is beyond the valor of Prithu Maharaja, Bharata and Bhagirata. He is praising the king here. Anyaha eva bhavan adharita purva rajanya chakra charitaha. Bhavan Anyaha eva, you are completely different. And the oru Atishayukti solrolla, Bhedaka Atishayukti. Adharita purva rajanya chakra charitaha. You have a story, or your charitram is such. Abrila, you are a person who has put down the stories of all the earlier kings. Purvesham Rajanya Chakranam Charitam Adharitam Tvaya Yena apdi eduthukanum. So Adhari Kritam, one who has put down or one who has excelled illana, one who has put down the Charitam, the story. Adada, we are not thinking about the other king's Charitam here at all. It is completely gone. Only your Charitam is heard by everybody. Twadanyyetu Viparita Vrittayaha Mahipatayaha Te Khalu Satyapi Raja Shabde Na Bhajanti Satam Goshtim. Twadanye, people other than you, those kings other than you, Viparita Vrittayaha, having a different kind of vritti. They have a different vyavahara. They have a different behavior. Hence, te Raja Shabde Sati Api, even though they have the Raja in them, Maharajaha athva Raja iti yadyapi ahuyante te, tathapi Satam Goshtim na bhajanti. They are not accepted as kings by good people. Even though they have the name, because of their actions, they are not considered as kings at all. Sannihite api sarvabhauma bhave sakridapi na munchati dana jalam. Because those kings are such that even though they are close to being a Chakravarti, Sarvabhauma Bhave Sannihite Api, even though they are close to being a Sarvabhauma, a Chakravarti, yet Sakridapi, even once, they do not give Dana Jalam. That is, they do not give charity or pour water during Danam. So when you give Danam, you are supposed to pour water and say, this is not mine, I am giving the ownership to you. Tatra dana jalam vimuchyaiva dana kartavyam ityasti. So a sarvabhauma, one who has a lot of wealth, should not shy away from doing charity here. So even though their sarvabhauma bhavam, the Chakravarti bhava is very close, still they do not even give charity even once. This can actually apply to the elephant also, in the sense sarvabhauma bhave. Even though an elephant is, and the idva irunda kuda, ஒரு சார்வபௌமா ஆல்சோ ரெஃபர்ஸ் டு அன் எலிஃபென்ட் ஹியர். ஸோ ஈவன் இஃப் இட் இஸ் வசத்தியான எலிஃபெண்டா இருந்தாலும் அதுக்கு அந்த இக்கர் அந்த தான மதஜலம் ஒழுகல்ல அப்படிங்கிற, விச் மீன்ஸ் an older elephant, even though it looks very big, even though it is the king of the herd, still it is not young but it is old அப்படிங்கிற அர்த்தத்துல சொல்றா. So which means the other kings are also not, they cannot measure up to your caliber. அபிஷேக ஜல ஆப்ளவாத் இவ சததம் உபயாந்தி ஜாட்யம். Because of அபிஷேகம், Abhisheka Jala Aplavat Iva, as if by they are completely immersed by the Abhisheka Jalam, the coronation waters that are poured on their head. It is as if a coldness has come to them. They are Mandyam Upajatam Tatra. So when you are constantly under a waterfall, let's say water is being poured on your head, you will start feeling Jadata or coldness. So here they are also, Jadyam here refers to dullness and Shitalatvam. So they are dull because they are constantly being coronated or Abhisheka Jalam Tatra Shirasi, they are, the water is being poured on their head and adunala ஒரு கர்வம் வந்துடுறது அவளுக்கு. So they feel very arrogant and they think, okay, everybody is praising me and I am a king always. Tasmat tatra a dullness creeps into their head. Shalabha iva na jananti tejasvinam prabhavam. Shalabhaha iva, like moths, they do not understand the prabhavam, the nature of Tejasvi, a person who has Tejas. So just if a moth, just as how a moth is attracted to the fire and it dies, in the same way these people also, they don't know your power and they instead they get destroyed. Charvaka mata anusarinaha iva na badhnanti paraloka buddhim. They don't think about paraloka, that there is a loka after death. Iti tesham manasi na jayate eva. So paraloka buddhim na badhnanti iti chet tatra paraloka chintam na kurvanti. Only if you are worried about what am I going to do after death? Will I go to Swargam or will I go to Narakam? Will I suffer after this or not? Iti tatra chinta eva nasti chet tarhi you will do anything and everything in this janma. If you have that paraloka buddhi, you are going to behave in a good manner. These kings, other kings, behave, it is as if they are following Charvaka Matam. Charvaka Matam is an hedonistic way of life, where they believe there is no Anya Janma, this Deham is Atma, and you live only once, so enjoy as much as you can. It is okay to do wrong, it doesn't matter. Okay, so Charvaka Marta Anusarinaha Iva, it's as if these kings are all following the Charvaka Matam and they do not think about Paralokam at all. Vyadhaha Iva, like hunters, Dvijakula Dushakaha, just like how the hunters Dushaka, they destroy the families of Dvija, birds. In the same way, these kings also, Dushakaha, they destroy or pollute Dvija Kula, Brahmana Kula. They pollute the families of Brahmanas. Raurava Padam Anusaranti. Rauravam here refers to a type of Naraka. Rauravan Nama Narakam Tatra. Ghoram Naraka Vishesha. Yes, it is a type of Naraka Vishesha. So they Raurava Padam Anusaranti, they go to this Narakam called Raurava. Ityevamadini tad vachanani samakarnayan jagama. So listening to all of these words, the king went. Tataha prathamasya payonidhehe pratira bhuvanam anaishit prithivipatihi pratanam. Seriya liya hai. Okay, so this should be Prithvim Prithanam as an adjective to Prithana. The Sena is Prithu, great. So Prithvi is big here. Mahatim Senam Prithvipatihi pratira bhumim anaishit. So the lord of this earth, which is the king Vemabhupala, took the huge army prithvim pritanam to the anaishit. He took it to the pratira bhuvanam, to the shores of the first ocean. So there are totally 4 oceans. He has to cover all 4 oceans. Chaturarnava Mekhala Dharani. Tasmat Tatra. He has to go to all 4 samudra. Now he took the big Sena to the shores of the first ocean. So with this, the third Uchvasa is also over. And this lesson is also over. Any questions till now? Liye.
Dharani Mandalam, that time it was little confusing because it all said Santapitam. It was
Dharani.
Strilinga Padam that was right.
Swedinim, Medinim.
No, it is the Tasminscha Shasati Dharani Mandal.
Lam. Yeah.
Dharani Mandalam. And there we had the Chara.
Santapitam Dhyam. Dhyauhu is in Akashaha, but Strilinga Padam.
But I'm not finding like that.
Illiya? Yeah. Dhyauhu Santapitam irka?
No, I mean, it is a Okar and the Strilinga Padam, correct?
Yes. Ama. அதான் சொன்னேன். அதனால தான் சந்தாபிதாம்னு. ஓகே?
Dhyauhu Dhyavo Dhyavaha அப்படின்னு வருமா?
Dhyam Dhyavo Dhyaha. Yes. Dhyam Vijayanti. 2-1.
Okay, back to the last line. Pratira Bhuvan. Pratira means towards the shore. Bhuvanam is the shores of the world? Like
இல்ல. Tira Bhuvanam. Bhuvanam here is Pradeshaha. So Tira Pradeshaha. Pratira is shores. Take Bhuvanam as Pradeshaha.
Okay. So towards the areas of the shore area.
Shore area. அப்படி எடுத்துக்க.
Okay. Prithvim and Prithvim is adjectival to Prithva. Okay.
Prithana. இல்லன்னா ஒட்டாது நமக்கு.
So he's got some Shabda Alankara. Pratha, then Prithvi, Prithivi, that is
very less. It's not such a yeah.
No, I mean he had to use that inga pratira is kind of making that.
Prathamasya payonidhehe pratira bhuvanam anaishit prithvim prithvipatihi pratana.
Prathanam. So inga pathram prithha.
Ama. Yeah. Okay.
Lot of atishayokti, utpreksha, lot of alankaras actually used in
Yeah.